that an egg? Wicket. There. What are they? Cute, cute, yeah. Little birds. What else is in your basket? What is that? A fish. Yeah, you put him in the water. He can go in your bath with you. He swims. Cool. Yeah, you can play.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah. Get all the grass up. Dogs, get out of the way. Go, Gabby. What else is in there? What else is in your basket? You see any bunnies? Well, I hope we don't take all that out. We could be here all day.
Just show her what you want her to find there. Because she's going to take it all out.
Look, leave the grass alone. What are these? What are those?
Bunnies.
Bunnies. What's that? It's a bubble pipe.
Bunnies.
She should know what that is.
Yeah.
Bunnies cut.
Yeah. She said Ninny's something.
Bunnies. There you go.
Yeah, okay. Want some bubbles real quick?
Okay.
Okay. That makes a big bubble.
Yeah. It popped and it sprayed down on her.
Oh, bubbles.
Oh, bubbles.
Oh, no, bubbles.
Gabby. Gabby. Let's see. Gabby. Here, Gabby. Gabby, come here. Come on.
Go lay down. Lay down.
Here, Corinne, look at this one.
Go lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
You see
Lay
the
down.
bubbles?
Lay down.
Okay,
Down.
so it's kind of cheap.
Stay.
Hey, bubbles. Oh man, I got some on the Chris. Sorry.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
They got bubbles.
Yeah. Here, we can use this one and you'll be able to hold it. It's a big giraffe. Ready? Whoa. That was anticlimactic. Oh, I got it. Come on. Pretty bubbles. Yay. You've got more eggs. Yay!